Hi, hello again. So in this part we will add this the button here, the bottom button, and let's go here. We are in the initializer of the doc. How is the name? Docx options window. Okay, at the very end of the initializer we will do the code for the button, and it is a btn. What is the name? Btn generate docx is equals to a button, and the master of this guy is the frame for the button. Okay, frame button. The text will be generate docx, and we will have an action, a comment. By the way, let's just now pack the button and see if we can see something. Let's see. I didn't save. Oh, stop this. Stop this. I didn't save. Let's run this again. And let's wait. Okay. So now we have here the button generate.docx. Okay. Is doing nothing. Of course, we don't have nothing to do yet. Let's create here a method for us to be able to call in the comment. Let's define here what is the name, generate docx. Okay, let me put here an end for you to not get lost. It will receive the self because is a method. It will receive the title size. It will be a int var, and it will receive the title color. It will be a string var. Okay, let me put here an ellipsis for now, and we want to print the value of the selected value for the title size and the selected value for the title color. Okay, I will just copy. Is just a print. Okay, let me copy and paste. Okay, how can we get the value of these two variables? Using this method, the get. Okay, so having these, we can add the comment to the button. Okay, so comment is equals to a lambda. Why? Because we need to provide two parameters. The first parameter is the, I will call it x. It will be the self dot title color, title size selected option. Also, we will have a y. It will be the title color selected option, and then we will call the method generate docx, and we provide what? The x and the y, and it should work. It should work by now. Let's run this just for us to confirm. Is opened. Let me put these here. Let me open these. If I click here, we see 40 and red. Cool. If I go here, this is 70, by the way, in blue. So 70 in blue, green. Okay, perfect. Is working. Okay. So in the next part, for now, we are done here in the docx options. Okay. Let me see what we have to do. Oh, we need to do some refactoring to the docx generation, because this code is done just to generate one page, okay, for one product, and we need to adapt the code for many products. Okay, so see you there.